Okay, it's rolling. Here you go. Make sure nothing's under my panel. Okay, so this is the template for the valley. This is the bottom face of the valley right here. Anytime you're working with sheet metal, go ahead and just throw a good pair of gloves on, and that way you can protect yourself. Also, I'm going to go ahead and turn my face and my head. My other general recommendation is to have some type of eyewear on. I lost my sunglasses last night, so I'm just going to use it the old-fashioned way, just to make sure that we're not looking too closely at it. This is a nibbler. I mentioned this a couple of times before. I'm just going to cut along this line here and along that line there, and then just use some hand shears to trim the rest of the material. You will be seeing this end, so I've got to be careful and make a nice good cut, because this is one of those places that will be observed very, very easily. Back touch. Get as nice and pretty a thin on there as possible. So there's our shape for the leading edge, or the fall edge of this valley. And we're going to go ahead and get up on the roof and show you guys how to install it.